Hi everyone, it's Van Vu from Vietnam. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna give you a tour around this cozy studio apartment that I rent in Da Nang, as well as talking about the monthly cost of living here in this beautiful city. Don't forget to watch until the end to see how much I pay in total and find out if you can live in this beautiful beach city for less than 1,000 US dollars. For those of you who haven't known me, hi, nice to virtually meet you. My name is Van and I am Vietnamese. I literally introduce everything about Vietnam to international friends. So if you want to explore local food, hidden gems, or beautiful places in Vietnam, consider subscribing to this channel. And by the way, I'm hosting a tour to explore the north to the south of Vietnam for 10 days. So if you are interested, visit my website at whatthephovien.com. I'll leave the link below. Also, thank you Surfshark for sponsoring this video. More on them later. And now, let me give you the studio tour. So, this is a furnished studio apartment that has everything I need. From a huge bed, a place to read, a balcony, and a corner to work, to a fully equipped kitchenette for light cooking. I love how they decorate real plants in the room because it makes the room very cozy and aesthetic. They have a mini fridge here. Oh, this way. There you go. A hair dryer. And here is the toilet. Hi everyone. So yeah, this is the toilet. And this is the shower. This is the view from their rooftop. Okay, let's see with all the things they offer, how much it costs to rent this apartment a month. So this apartment is located in An Thuong area, where most expats live in Da Nang. I really like this neighborhood because it's quiet, it's private, and also there are a lot of restaurants, coffee shops, convenience stores. Plus, it's only 8 minutes walking to the beach. How awesome is that? I actually found this apartment on Airbnb. You can find similar apartments on Airbnb and also on the Facebook group called Expats in Da Nang. They are super helpful to help you find the right place to live. The process of renting an apartment here is quite easy. First, you just need to look up the apartment that you want to live, message the host on the Airbnb app, or if you want to see the room first, you can message them via Zalo. In Vietnam, Zalo is pretty popular. Many landlords require you to put in 1 month deposit, and then after that you sign the contract and you can pay monthly, depending on how you deal with the landlord in the contract. Make sure you read the contract carefully and take pictures before moving in to avoid any misunderstandings or unnecessary fines in the future. If you want to rent a 1-bedroom apartment or a studio apartment like this, it's gonna range from $250 to $500 US dollars. This apartment is pet friendly and it costs $500 US dollars per month, including all the utilities such as water, electricity, service fee. Also, they have washer and dryer, and they clean your room once a week. How awesome is that? Also, Wi-Fi is included in the rent. As a digital nomad, I usually use Wi-Fi at home or at the coffee shop, usually like at the airport as well. Wi-Fi is very easy to access in Vietnam. However, it's not always safe to connect to unprotected networks. Therefore, I highly recommend using a VPN to secure yourself online. I've been using Surfshark VPN for over 2 years now, and I'm so happy to partner with them in today's video. Since I work remotely, I rely a lot on Wi-Fi. And one of my biggest fears is one day, all my data is leaked. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. Knock on wood. This apartment has a lot of woods. That's why I use Surfshark VPN to create alternative identities and emails for my online registrations to protect my personal information. Also, just in case my phone, my ID, credit card are stolen while traveling, Surfshark will alert me right away. Besides working, I do enjoy watching movies on Netflix. Unfortunately, there are many of my favorite shows are not available in Vietnam. To solve that problem, I use Surfshark VPN to change my IP address so that I will have more movie options. What I love the most about Surfshark is it offers unlimited simultaneous connections with multiple devices as well as one of the lowest prices in the market. Plus, they have 30-day money-back guarantee and 24/7 live support. Use my code PHO for 3 months free. I'll leave the link below in the description box so you can check it out. And now, let's move on to transportation. For transportation, you can rent a motorbike from $30 to $40 per month or $5 per day. If you don't know how to drive, like me, I use Grab and Gojek to move around the city. Grab and Gojek are similar to Uber. Unfortunately, Uber cannot survive in Vietnam, but Grab and Gojek are very easy to use and they are very affordable as well. Now, let's talk about food. The cheapest way for food is to go grocery shopping, and with $10 to $20 if you go to a local market, you can get a bunch of fresh vegetables and fruits that you can eat for a week. I personally love going to local markets because I can see a wide variety of fresh food, and also I can talk to local aunties. They are the cutest. However, with the future of my job as a travel vlogger, and also is part of my personality as well, I love going out to eat. I realized that the average price for a Vietnamese dish ranges around 30,000 to 60,000 Vietnam dong, which is around 1.5 to 3 US dollars. If you want to go to high-end restaurants or you want to eat Western food, you expect to pay 3 to 4 times more on a meal. Also, there are a lot of international and vegetarian restaurants around this area. I personally love to go to the Hideout Coffee here. They have very yummy salted coffee and with the great ambience to work. I also love to go to iVegan restaurant, and if you go there, don't forget to check out their vegetarian burger. It's super yummy. Next to the restaurant, they have a souvenir shop that is super aesthetic and you can buy unique gifts there. So for me, I would personally spend 200 to 300 US dollars per month on food. Moving on to the phone bill, I paid the same in Hanoi or in Ho Chi Minh City. It's $5 per month with 2 GB per day. I did the 2 videos about the cost of living in Hanoi and in Ho Chi Minh City, and I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can compare the prices between those cities. So when I was in Hanoi, I paid a lot of money for my PT. And when I moved to Ho Chi Minh City, I did pay monthly gym membership. But in here, in Da Nang, I don't need to pay for gym membership because gym equipment is free at the beach. When you come to Da Nang, you're gonna see a lot of people running, playing sports in the morning or in the afternoon when they get home from work. And also a lot of people use free gym equipment at the beach to do exercises. I personally love running on the beach in the morning, so there's no reason for me to pay for a gym membership. But if you want to look for a high quality gym here, you're looking to pay about $20 per month. Talking about my favorite category, self-care / services, I love the gội đầu dưỡng sinh, which is the nourishing shampoo therapy. They have the best neck, shoulder, head massage, and you only have to pay from 100,000 Vietnam dong to 300,000 Vietnam dong per hour, which is around 5 to 20 US dollars for your mental and physical health. Last but not least, I'm gonna talk about nightlife here in Da Nang. Da Nang has many bars and nightlife activities that you can enjoy. I usually hang out with my friends on the weekend and I would spend around 200,000 Vietnam dong. Okay, so let's see how much is the total monthly cost of living here in Da Nang. So for the rent, which includes all the utility bills, is $500. Transportation is $50. Food and eating out is $200. Miscellaneous such as shopping, gội đầu dưỡng sinh, or other stuff is around 100 US dollars. So the total would be 850 US dollars per month that you can live comfortably here in Da Nang, Vietnam. I would love to know how much it costs to live in your current area right now. Please leave it down in the comment below. And also, if this video is helpful for someone who is moving to Vietnam or even travel to Vietnam, please share it with them. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back with more helpful videos for you. Alright, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye!